Form 4, Add Maths, Past Years, SPM. SPM 2010, topic Coordinate Geometry. Step 1, collect. The point P moves. Any moving point, first of all, we must label it with coordinate XY. Any moving point, label it with coordinate XY. We continue, such that its distance, now it here referring to the point P, it referring to point P, so the distance of point P is always 5 units from the point Q, negative 3, 4. The question, find locus of P. So we always start from what they ask. They asking the locus of P. I'm going to start with the locus of P. First of all, we must know what is locus. Locus is equation of a moving point which we label with xy, and it will move with a condition. In this question, the condition given is the PQ is 5. Here, so I'm going to start with PQ equals to 5, which is over here PQ equals to 5. Now what is the meaning of PQ? It is the length of PQ. It is the length of PQ. So length, we will use the formula of length, which is square root. You start with the x coordinate of P, which is xp minus xq bracket square plus yp minus yq bracket square, which is equals to 5. You must start with the coordinate of the moving point P, which is xp, yp, easier. The next step to do would be to cancel the square root. How we do that? We square both sides. We square both sides. Square. So now, square root and square, it will cancel. And now we have xp, I replace with x, minus minus xq, I put over here xq negative 3. So be careful. Minus minus will become plus. And then of course, bracket square plus yp, I label as y, minus yq. Yq is 4 over here. So minus 4, don't forget, it must be bracket and it must be square. On the right hand side, 5 square is 25. Next, we are going to expand. If you see here, minus and minus has become plus, so be careful. So now, we are going to expand x plus 3 bracket square, y minus 4 bracket square by using the formula lower secondary, which is a plus minus b bracket square is a square 2ab plus b square. If it is plus, you put plus in front. If it is minus, you put minus in front. But behind, always plus. So here, for the first one, it is x squared plus 2 times 3 times x. We get 6x plus, and then we have 3 squared which is 9. I'm going to repeat for the next one, which is y square. We have minus, put back minus. Next, 2 times 4 times y, that will be 8y. And finally, behind always plus, we have 4 squared, which is 16, equal to the right hand side 25. Now we have to do, we just collect. X square is x square, y square is y square, 6x is 6x, 9 plus 16, 25. Of course, the 25 left hand and right hand, of course we can cancel, which means the right hand side would become 0. So our final answer, it is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y equals 0, which is our answer. Thank you. I see you on the next lesson.